Yes, anyone can become an NFT creator and mint an NFT. I've done it, and so can you. So the first thing we're going to do today is tell you there's only 3 steps. There's only 3 steps to create and selling your NFT. Now, the first one is obvious. What is it? Create something. Whether it's poetry or music, whether it's a video or digital art, the list is endless. Just pick your art, pick your piece, and make the first one. And what you're going to do is choose a medium and the right place to list it. It might be OpenSea, it might be Rarible, it might be Mintable. And these are things we talked about in a previous episode. So if you need more information about that, go look where to mint your NFT. In the meantime, just know, create it first. Number 1. Number 2 is you mint it. In our show notes, we're going to have a step-by-step guide on how to mint your own NFT, because you're going to go on the platform, you're going to set up a profile, and then there's going to be step-by-step what you need to do and how you need to be ready to launch your NFT and mint it. It's not that hard. It's actually easy once you've done it the first time, and even easier the second time. I'll tell you what, my team surprised me on my birthday. They took a photo and they minted it for me, and they bought it for me as a gift. Why? Because they wanted to learn the process of how to create, how to mint, and how to sell an NFT. And by doing that as a gift for me, not only did they do it, but they were inspired to do it again. They're probably going to be doing a lot of gifts this holiday season just based on that knowledge. Now, the third thing I'm going to say is you got to sell it. That means marketing comes into action and play right here. So if you're going to have your NFT up for sale, there's 2 ways you can sell it. The first one is in a fixed price, where you just designate this exactly what the price is, or you can auction it. You could put it in, and then you can send people there, and they can change the price based on what they bid. The other thing you have to do is find the right buyer. Now, when you're launching your NFT, you want to find communities and places where you can invite people to come in, not only to look at it and support it, but to actually purchase it. So some of those places are Clubhouse, your email list, your social media. What you do is you post it, hey, here's my NFT for sale, go check it out, make a bid, or purchase it. And when you sell your NFT, you are now an NFT artist. So we will have the right ideas for you and more information on how you can get involved in selling your first NFT. We'll have marketing ideas, the step-by-step guide. You can go with nftswithlee.com. That's nftswithlee.com, and you'll see we're always adding information there. And the reason is because it changes every single day. The NFT marketplace is so volatile. Things are coming and going. Platforms are coming and going. Experts are coming. And I will tell you, there is so much information to share. So go see us in the show notes for more information right now. And one more thing you're going to find in the show notes is something that's really important for you to know. It's the role of the IPFS of minting NFTs. That's the Interplanetary File System. Now, this is a decentralized data storage for blockchain platforms. And I know it sounds like a lot of information. And to me, the first time, I'm like, what? What is that? But what you need to know is as you're loading large files, you need to provide a secure storage with less risk than the traditional web servers. That's what the IPFS system does. So as you're loading up videos or things that are digitally large files, you're going to need to know this storage system. And we will put more notes in the show notes so you can follow along as needed. The reason I'm letting you know right now is because the first time we were uploading a video, we got stuck. We could not understand why it took so long, and then over time it actually wasn't loading. And once we learned the IPFS system, it made it so much easier. So we'll put that in the show notes. It's a lot of details. When you need it, it'll be there for you. So recapping, what you need to know today is there's 3 steps to actually minting an NFT. The first one is to create it. The second one is to mint it. And the third one is to sell it. We can't wait till you tell us about your success in minting and selling your NFT. So make sure you connect with us more and let us know what worked for you. And actually, what didn't work for you as well, because we will learn from your mistakes as you go along as well. That's how we all learn, is sharing what works and what doesn't work. So we're open to that from all of you. So thank you for joining us today, and I hope we've inspired you to get in the game and mint your first NFT.